Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin. So 3 days ago, I talked about the Bitcoin depth cross and Litecoin depth cross. If you haven't watched the video, you can go back to my previous video. I will also put the link below. Just in case you are new to the channel, just to remind everybody that you can earn some EOS, Stellar Lumen, Dai token, and basic attention token in Coinbase. Also, ontology group. If you join the English Telegram group, you can get some ONG token. If you're interested, you can check it out. And also, if you haven't installed the Brave browser, you can check it out because Brave browser is good because when I surf some website, sometimes they pop out all the video or advertising, and Brave browser block all that. It saved my time and to surf the internet. So if you're interested, you can click the link below. That will help out my channel as well. So before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop giveaway or hard fork. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. So we have been talking about the depth cross for the 4-hour chart with the in case you don't know what depth cross is, basically the 50 exponential cross below the 200 exponential. So right now it's already crossed. So a few days ago, we don't know whether it crossed, but today is already crossed. So this is a 4-hour chart. And also, Mr. Anderson at True Crypto 28, I talked about this probably in my previous video. He's saying that there's a very simple strategy whether we are in the uptrend or downtrend. So let's see. So very simple. If the 10-day moving average cross above the 20-day moving average, then we are in an upward trend. So when the 10-day moving cross below the 20, that means we are in a downward trend. Right now, currently, we are in a downward trend right now. So, and then also today he talked about something pretty interesting too. So he talked about a depth cross can provide high probability shorts. However, a depth cross inside a macro bull trend is not a death sentence. So basically, he's talking about if we are right now in a macro bull trend. So that means a death it's not a death sentence. So a rejection upon the retest would interest him in another short play. And if the price return to this area, which is around, I think is 10,600, I will be watching the reaction very closely. Rejection at the 55 or 200 EMA on the 4-hour would give us another nice high probability shot. So if you are not a professional trader, or I don't recommend you do all this, okay? Not a financial advice. Use your due diligence. I think a lot of people are hodlers and all that. For shitcoin, you don't want to hodl. If you hodl, all of them will go to zero. But Bitcoin, I think long term, I'm pretty bullish. Not a financial advice. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. So he also talked about the 4-hour depth cross in a macro uptrend can provide very solid short play if you can execute intelligently. So also you can see he is saying that we can see this far from the death sentences. And if when the structure correct, maybe be ready to buy. So basically the 55 to 200 EMA blue cross, then is ready to buy. He also talked about the support trend line. So Bitcoin bull lose the recent battle for the 4-hour and face the possibility of losing the 6-hour. And bull will want to make something of this low to retest. So you can see basically this is a trend line. If we break below this trend line, it will go lower. And we'll probably go to 9K, and then the next one will go to the 21 EMA, which is around like 8,500, something like that. So as long as Bitcoin is go along this trend line, do not break below the trend line, then we'll be fine. Otherwise, we'll go to 9K or even go to the 21 EMA, which is around 8,500. And in terms of the CME future, The CME future, because they are not trading 24/7, also they have limited history. So of course, I would rather the chart has more history. So this is a very similar look. So basically, if they break below the trend line, this will go down to 9,002, and then 21 EMA like around 8,000, 8,005 or something like that. So this is a CME future. And Josh Ranger is talk about Bitcoin looks to be creating lower high and lower low on the daily chart, and the open and support area based on the weekly chart. So they're talking about with the previous support possibly flipping to resistance. So the support level now become the resistance. So he also talked about the potential. The next weekly support will be 89.75. So before this is a support level, right? Now it become a resistance. 10 is it is at 10,185. So before this is support, now it looks like become a resistance. So this is 17th hour. No, my 17th hour ago is too long. So we'll see how it goes. And also let's look at the crypto fear and greed index is 40. So I think last week is extreme fear on 19, right? I think before it's 19, right? And then it go all the way back up again. So we'll see. And in terms of buy Bitcoin, for the past 10 years, right now we are at all-time low. And in terms of buy Bitcoin for the past week, I think the interest has been dropping as well. And for the long and short position, currently in Big Finance, we have 22K long position and 6.5K in a short position. So the long ratio has higher. So probably, I'm just guessing, if the long is so many long, probably they may need to pump the price a little bit too. But you never know. Maybe they will pump and then they dump again. They can be doing really quick. So once they pump a little bit and liquidate the long position, then they can dump again. So so it's up to the whale how they want to play the game. So nobody knows, only the whale will know. Of course, Justin Sun, he's going to postpone the lunch with Warren Buffett. Remember the 4 million lunch he had that he bid from the charity. So right now people are speculating because he has to postpone because of the kidney stone issues, blah blah blah, and people are speculating because he is facing some charges in China, not able to leave the country. But then in Periscope video, broadcasting live, seeing Justin Sun in San Francisco with the Bay Bridge in the background. So we don't know. So we'll see. So I don't understand. I think kidney stone thing is just a lie. So maybe there's something else going on. And also they're saying that Justin Sun using illegal fundraising, using the Tron cryptocurrency project, also operate illegal gambling services accessible to Chinese residents and all that. So I think I think maybe they are under investigation in China and all that. So we don't know. So there's a lot of sketchy or shitty project. So this is one of the shitty projects. Where's the Internet 3.0? Hello. This guy just scammed all your money and just have a lunch with Warren Buffett, 4 million. 4 million, you can do a lot of things with your project, if you want to build your platform. It's just a waste of money, seriously. So let me know what you think about the direction of Bitcoin. This is a pretty interesting outcome, what we are doing. So we'll see, we'll continue to monitor. But based on this, we are in a downward trend right now, so we'll see how it goes. In terms of the 4 hour, it's already crossed, but then 4 hour is not a very accurate picture. It's better to have a 1 day. Those has longer time frame, will be more accurate. But you never know. And we talk about also Litecoin too, right? Litecoin seems to be a leading indicator for the so far since December. So we could be wrong too. So we don't know. So right now, of course, Litecoin is in a downward trend. So and yeah, the 20 exponential already crossed below the 40 exponential. So let me know what you think about this. Please comment below. I would love to hear from you. we'll continue to monitor if this 20 will cross. We'll see. If it cross, then may have a downward momentum. We'll see. Let me know what you think. Comment below. I would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming airdrop, giveaway or token swap. Also, you can follow me on Twitter as well. Hey, if you have already subscribed, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out the upcoming videos or token swap. And also, please comment below. I read your comment. It also helps my ranking in YouTube, and I will continue to provide quality video for you guys. Remember, crypto deep divers. We the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency has inherent risk. Please use your due diligence.